Good morning to all. In this module, we are going to learn about the types of beaks. Crushing beak. Birds, like sparrow and pigeon, have a short and hard beak. They use it for crushing seeds and grains, which make them soft before eating. Curved beak. Birds, like parrot, have a curved beak. This helps them in cracking nuts and fruits. Piercing and tearing beak. Some birds, like eagle and vulture, have a strong, hard, and a curved beak. These birds eat flesh, and this beak helps them to tear the flesh. There are some birds which can imitate our voice. Parrot is one of them. Crows and hens have beaks that help them to eat a variety of foods like meat, fruits, grains, and insects. In this module, we learnt about the three beaks, that is the crushing beak, curved beak, piercing and tearing beak.